Hello, Carolyn. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. Hello to you too as well, Julio. Um, I've been trying to go through everything, trying to find out exactly what website, and unfortunately, I'm coming across something that doesn't work very well. Obviously, when I search for you guys by name, Julio Gonzalez Home Improvements, Fayetteville, North Carolina, I get this, right? Here's the issue. When I click on it, it brings me here, which is good. I believe this was you. And then I got Hughes Pro account suspended. So I can't really go through the website and kind of show you anything, but just based on the little I can see, I mean, at least you have your number up here. That's good. Um, so I can't really give you guys an accurate description about what happens when you would, or if you do kind of unsuspend the account. That might be a different story. I did find another one that you had that looked very similar. Unfortunately, and it could be this one. No, that's not it. I don't think that's it. Nope, Massachusetts. That's not it. Nope, Maryland. Yeah. Anyway, so my point being is finding out where your website is a little difficult, and giving you advice based on that is difficult as well. But I will talk about something called the GMB, and I'm going to get to that in a moment. But let me show you what it is on the back end, or better than that, because that's not going to give us much information. Let me show you what happens when I do this, right? So I'm just in Raleigh, North Carolina. So let's say you do bathroom remodeling, right? The idea is you want language on your website that pretty much goes with what people are looking for, right? So if I'm looking for a bathroom remodeler, I'm going to get very specific in what I'm looking for. So I'm going to type in bathroom remodel, and I want to get more specific on location because I don't want them to live somewhere outside of my area. So I'm going to put in Raleigh, North Carolina. Now, this is called a buyer intentional keyword. It's good enough for Google Ads. When you add a service and a location in the same sentence for a combined keyword, as you can see, there's decent ad words for that as well. But this is what we call, these three over here are the GMB. You definitely want to get in here. When you're in the top three, you'll get anywhere from 30 to 40% of all search volume directed at the top three. So, 30% could go to the top guy, but, it typically disperses. So if you don't have a GMB, create one. It's free. Fill out all the information, including address, and then start getting yourself some excellent 5-star reviews, and make sure you're responding to them. If you wanted a website and you didn't want to do house anymore, then keep this. This is a .net, and the longer it's been up, the better. But you would simply want to move this and point it somewhere else besides house, because house doesn't give you very good backlink profiles. Now, I would use Rebath as the person who you would be going up against, but I don't want to, simply because they're not local to Raleigh. These people are luxury bath RL, RAL, whatever that means. Maybe it means remodel. That could be what it is. Anyway, so your Raleigh bathroom remodel and window replacement experts. That's not what it means either. But they have a lot of ads. They have their phone number everywhere, their accolades. They talk a little bit about what they're offering, which is exactly what you want to do, so you can get those words in there for what people search for. So, for example, this is their back-end profile. I'm going to try and explain it as best as I can. A UR rating is how strong the website is. DR rating is how much Google likes you or trusts you. They typically want these in the 30s and 40s ratio 1-to-1. That's like ideal. And it all runs on backlinks. Now, they have 1,500 different backlinks, and they have 225 unique backlinks, right? So let's say you can have 20 backlinks, a backlink is when you have your website linked somewhere else, and a referring domain is when somebody clicks on it and it returns to you. Now, not all of them are equal. Some of them are spammy, so you don't want to use them. But the main idea also is you need keywords, right? So when you have a keyword, and let's take a look at what they are, you want to make sure, again, that they have those two components in there, because that means that those are really good clients or potential clients. Bathroom remodel is too general. It doesn't take into account a location, which means anyone in the world can type that in, and I don't want that. Luxury bath Raleigh, that's their name, so that doesn't count, but this one does. Kitchen remodeling Raleigh, North Carolina, right? 200 people a month search for that. They're getting 26 because they're in position 3. When you're in positions 1, 2, or 3, you'll get anywhere from like 10 to 30% of all search volume. So it's very important to make sure that you rank high for those buyer intentional keywords. For example, this one, bathroom remodeling, Raleigh, North Carolina, 250 people search for it. They're getting 24 of them because they're in position 5, almost 10%. That's not bad. That's pretty good. Raleigh kitchen remodel, 150, 24. They're in position 3. They're getting more than 10%, which is exactly what you want. This is about 30%, almost, sorry, no, this is about almost 20%. It's about 18 maybe. Anyway, you get the idea. So, Carolyn, Julio, and I can't, like I said, I can't really give you a fair assessment with this not really working. There was another website, like I said, I found, but it's not operational either, and I did not find a GMB when I was searching for you guys. So please do yourself a favor and create one, because that will really help you guys. You know, it's the start of getting, organic leads instead of, maybe going through Yelp or something like that, or even Home Advisor. Anyway, that's all I really got. If you do have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out so I can go in more depth and kind of explain things. I wasn't able to do the greatest job on this one because of the lack of access to the website and to your GMB. Anyway, let me know what's going on, and you guys have an amazing day. Bye.